Hey my lovely people, I'm going to an NFT conference in Negril, Jamaica at a place called CamJam Retreat. You see them lion and the colors and all of that. You know and say it's a Rastaman thing. Outside in the nice cool shade. Great place to learn. Great place to have a workshop. This is my second NFT event. My first one was in Miami. Welcome back to Jamaica. Things are happening locally. So yes, with the Negril. His name is Manifest Dream. So here look at what he have to say.
Had no idea what it was, but what really got me interested was the fact that it was associated with art, because the NFT space, even though NFT can be used, the technology behind NFTs, the blockchain technology can be used to do a myriad of things, a plethora of things that you can actually do on the blockchain. I wasn't really interested in anything else. What sparked my interest was the whole art aspect of it. When it comes down to artwork and you know, stuff like that, most people don't mind having a digital copy. But I was just fascinated by the idea that you can have a legitimate copy of that piece of artwork that is tied to the artist. See, a million places online. If Donna or Tropic Vibe has the original NFT, they actually own that. They actually own it. So yes, you can make a million copies of it and you can see it anywhere. But who is the legitimate owner of it? It's the man who owns the NFT.
The man a little break. So I decided to just tour the place. I couldn't see what one or the place set up. As me say, you don't see a Rastaman place. When you see them something, you know say Rastaman. Rastaman looks about the meditation and all of them something there. How long I saw him sanctuary. But the place nice. Only thing, because me for the lizard, me not too like the whole tree business. I was really tired. Me that drop asleep. Every time I was so worried about a lizard dropping in my lap or dropping in my head. But just come terrified about lizard. Like me really afraid for lizard. So yeah, the whole time I was kind of scared about that. And mark you the night before, I saw one big old ever croc lizard. So let's have a look outside shower. Can we talk about this meal? It tastes so good.
Yum.
Man, it tastes so good. Rice and peas and ackee and saltfish. Yeah, excuse me look really tired and beat out because the night before me never sleep. Because the first time I go down here, so I two things that my husband didn't know the people. Him same know that. Well, he meet them on the internet.
Boom.
Me never trust that, but they really scared and all of that, so me not get no sleep. Me did afraid, but him know them and trust them. Father, daughter, banna go and run our back round this so yeah, after the whole get together NFT meeting, we decided that we are gonna go on the beach because we can't go all the way at Negril and don't go at the beach. Like, come on, if you're going to grill, you know, it makes no sense. You're going to grill and don't go at the beach or going to the water. Negril have some of the nicest beach, like clean and all of that thing. Look on the sun, look at the sun. Look how it's clean and nice. I love them artwork there. Yeah, I love it. But I never really have any money for buying one. Would I buy one, you know? but I never have no money. After going in the water, can't go Negril, can't go with the beach there. I'm not going in the water, like, that don't make no sense. I have to take a swim.
Jamaica.
I never want to come out of the water. I'm not lying. I never want to come out of the water. The water is just so warm and nice.
Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for under the sea?
So yeah, after we spend about 1 hour on the beach, now we're leaving. But it can get cold though. So now we got I love pick up 2 little things. Not like when China case say 2 little things and you see she have a whole chally load or something.
Come with me topic up to little things.
I mean, like, just 2 little things now and we have no basket nor nothing. Just going to pick up some water and some snacks. So yeah, this is the man place. So this is how the room. And now I just shown how the place look. And yeah, right around that corner around there, so a Ritz Cafe. Now on Sunday morning we walk away yard. So as me say, it around the corner for Ritz Cafe, see there? See Wale, Ritz Cafe this, so we left from Friday and we left Sunday morning. So now we're done Puerto Seco Beach. It's actually my first time since them decorate and fix the place nice and proper and so the place look clean and something. Just need look up paint and touch up here and there, but place nice. I'm not lie. I'm gonna go back. Place nice. So we're just relax, we look all tired body. Going like we are tourists and all these things. Market people, you see how close the beach there? The beach there right this and the sun right this. And our foot not touch the sun. We're not going nowhere down at the beach. No pool alone we want going on.
That's crazy. That's a recipe for disaster, Kenny. Terrible. Crazy knuckleheaded terrible. Oh.
Like, I love pool. I love pool over beach. And that seems weird because I think I should have loved the beach more. But me love the pool more. My husband I love pool because he makes the pool dirty and I had him some of them.
You know they put a chemical in the pool that turns urine blue.
No. It's an old wives' tale, sweetie. It's an old wives' tale.
Oh my God! You're humiliating me!
I'm kind of full of my head, but I'm no business. I still love pool. I'm obsessed with them with that hairstyle, and I love that hairstyle here. I don't know why I love it, but someone bought twist and having the lens and my shoulder, I just think it have a buzz. So Kristen round and back around there, so afraid like puss, afraid of the water because she afraid she drown. She afraid she drown because she cannot swim, she can't swim. And the pool deep, we think say them have like a shallow part, you know, like a kids area where the kids them can, you know, like the little people them we can swim and something. But no, the pool have 1 level. And Kristen at 5'3". And she afraid you see her then, afraid like how I say about me must fall on her. Girls swimming now. Girls swim. I just love water overall. When I go in the water most of the time it's like I don't want to come out. that time there and just get some food to eat. So see me, I get some steamed fish with okra and some pressed plantain. So everybody have to clear the pool, you know, lightning and thunder and then they start leak and flash and so everybody have to just exit the pool.
I'm here at Barry Island Beach and there's no sign of the sun.
So after we done eat, we back in the pool for some more minutes. Then the lightning and sun start again. So we have to come out. And most time people place like a 4 or 5 o'clock. Them lock. So we just leave the place. What is we want to drive to come pick we up? So yes, we're right here. Oh, I'm just kidding. So, I hope you guys love this video. Until next time, go and stay fresh like a fresh vegetable. Bye!